What was the question earlier? It had to do with the cube. And the cube, or the cube of space, is a meditative vehicle found within the Sefer Yetzirah, which is a small book of meditation methods in Kabbalah. It was Jean Dubuis' favorite. He felt that there's really not much better. There are variations of the Sefer Yetzirah, by the way. They're not all the same. They vary, but that's okay.
Which one's best?
So it depends on your point of view. Really, it does. You know, they're a beginning, not an end. And therein lies the rub. You know, you're going to have someone, and one of my biggest disagreements, and you're free to disagree with me on this, with many of the Kabbalists, particularly those coming out of the Golden Dawn schools, and you see Dion Fortune used to say this a lot, anything that disagreed with what they were saying, oh, it's a blind. It's a blind to deceive the uninitiated. Yeah, no, maybe not. Maybe it was just a different point of view. Because you have a phrase that is thrown around a lot, particularly from those schools, called the Western esoteric tradition. And there is no such thing. There is the Western esoteric traditions, and it is plural. And some of them are very different from what you'd find coming out of the Golden Dawn and its derivatives. And there's some very useful material there. However, it is not the final word or the standard. It is not the gold standard. Okay, it's very useful, but to say that this person's association or symbol set is a little different is a blind and they have it wrong. No, it just comes from a different line, a different school. Now, this is very important because when you receive teachings from different teachers, and I've received teachings from a variety of different teachers, I've received the same teaching from different teachers. And it was always often said, you know, when you do this practice, you did this practice as your teacher gave it to you. Okay. Well, you gave it to me this way, and that one over there was a little different. I'll do which the one you want, but you do it that way. Now, this isn't to say that there may not be blinds in some of these things. There may very well be. I'm just going to say that's kind of a weak answer to every time there's a discrepancy or disagreement on what the meaning of a Hebrew letter is.